Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to talk about negativity and positivity, whether it is in good situation of our life or in bad. So I'll just give you one example about it. For example, if we have health issues going on in our family and they're frequently happening, so any normal person would be negative, okay, in this situation. And sometimes uh, this situation makes us take wrong decisions, okay. So negativity and positivity plays a vital role while taking right decisions, wise decisions, okay. So in the same situation, if we become more positive, as in if we take that situation in a positive manner, even if the doctor says that only miracles can help you come out of it, that's fine. See, even if the miracles are going to happen, we have to be positive about it, that yes, miracles are going to happen. If we become negative and then we start thinking like, oh, how would it be so positive for me, doctors are saying this, and how can I be so positive and think that I'll be better. But this is a wrong decision there itself, okay. So even if we have certain situations in our life, just be positive, because the positive vibes will help you come out of it, okay. And then, even if you, after being that positive, even if you feel that you seek guidance, you seek advice, please go for it. Because being quite shy about asking for help is going to be a big problem for you. Rather, you can just ask for help and people are there to help you, right? So positivity is a important part, okay. It's an important part of our life, we should not neglect it any time, okay. Okay, so we will just go ahead and do our weekly readings, which is from 12th of October to 19th of October, okay. So I'll just take out some cards for it. Okay, so now I'll start with the Monday and Tuesday. Okay, now Monday and Tuesday is going to be a bit of starry kind of day for you. You are going to be the star of the days, okay. So specifically on Monday and Tuesday, you will feel that you are in cloud 9, on cloud 9. And you may feel that you have everything that you ask for, or even if you wish for something else which is kind of not happening till now, it will happen on Monday and Tuesday, okay. Then we go towards Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday is going to be little bit hard working for you, because you might be shifting from one place to another. It might be a case that it will happen in your job place, that you will be transferred from one team to another team, or say you will be transferred from one place to another place, that is one from one city to another city, okay. So that may happen, and you most of you will be shifting with your family, okay. So that overall process is going to be little bit uh, problematic for you, as in it will stress out you, okay. And then the Friday, Saturday and Sunday is going to be little bit scary for you, as in it will bring you certain situations wherein you will feel scared about it, as in you will be depressed about it. But please do not do it, because the angel's gift is a very good thing for you, okay, which is going to be for the next week. And the angel's gift is, overall, after facing all these scenarios, you will be in a peace of mind that yes, you have overcome all these issues. So don't be afraid of anything. It will be a positive week for you. Okay, then we go towards the challenge of the week. Okay, and now that challenge is going to be that you will be having a lot of new things coming up to you. That is new opportunities, or new jobs, or new tasks. Okay, and some of the tasks might be little bit heavy for you, as in you might not have experienced those works in the past. So you might feel that okay, how would I do it, I don't know how to do it, or you will be stressed about it. So don't be, it is going to be all right. You just have to be patient about it. You have to concentrate on your work, and it will all be fine for you. I hope this weekly spread has helped you a lot to understand how it is going to be for you in the next week. So please take this in mind. And as I said about negativity and positivity, we always have to be positive, whether it is a storm coming in, or a very good condition in our life, situation in our life. Just be neutral, be positive, and everything is going to be fine at the end. Okay, I hope this helped you a lot. Take care, bye bye, stay blessed. Thank you.